Michael and so I'm so what news are Obata the Abe in the course of Morocco news and Rai and Massem.
Yes,
more game no bad TV in James will be an Abishay crowd.
Oh, of course.
With the course.
Adiba Aqua realizing about Kotoko against North African teams in the say Ombe qualify and Omon qualify age and the kind of results of being in the field. So
yeah.
And I don't think any Ghanaian club in the last 21 years had to quine Akko Morocco Akako Moroccan club. Sema question did not qualify. It's really that difficult. But let me first of all say that the first 45 minutes they totally different from the second 45 minutes.
Okay.
The first 45 minutes saw Kotoko put up a solid performance, decent in possession, and they were very physical enough. I maybe can work for a credit city back at some point in time. But the problem boils down to the decision making of the goalkeeper imposed in the shape of Aziz Dari. And you could see fourth goal can maintain here.
I do baby not genius some.
Because how a ball no could to say na and the penalty is also quite by this is the reality of the situation. Say difficult say you gab no wa couple and there are a lot of things we need to do to catch up. A lot of things we need to do to catch up. But I think the major in Akomeah course we need the Albert Amoahtransfer.
Yeah. I know they shift your attention Anna. We game na news in the bay.
If somebody I'm using if because me name the idea behind the announcement as at that time.
Okay.
Despite the fact say Metisa Fuduku interview Biano pay with one of your sister station. It was even done in English, Fifimo.
Okay.
And I paid attention to the reasons. And Uti Asemna Safuduku can say na Libya for transfer window nibe close. Na me adoma enre numreno more baby.
Okay.
Na no mo ni omo di nkomo edu achiri. Ana dey na pressure na eba no mo so afri mo African ne ka na omo bono.
Yes,
they needed to do a quick deal. Said Abetamo betimi register my club no easily. Now Omotimiabo. I'm still looking forward to identify if the club is still playing in the CAF Champions League or the CAF Confederations Cup. For Al Ahly for no.
Okay.
I think Mike will have to look at that. But the whole brouhaha near Sekocheke, the apology message Akotoko the about thing concerned with the results of Bukunyae, humiliating loss against with that. In the first place, the letter no with the Babontin no, me nim the also with the letter Babontin be part of level no. Waba. You just focus on preparing and allowing results to speak for you. For that, I don't agree with them. And then you look at the comments under the post. Abromo post say Albert Amoah Kono Kapu. Me who say Kotoko supporters both say under Kotoko post that. See. In trouble pa. Abetamwa de post we kwa here.
Yes, as a as a fans and then
couple for financial reasons. I will never begrudge any Ghanaian club that believes that Ombetima Tomo player.
Ali Tripoli and
Ali Benghazi.
Ali Benghazi. Baby ana Agadas called Benghazi and Tripoli.
Yeah, to find him Benghazi. Yeah.
And
what I know is Ali Tripoli, not Ali Benghazi.
For one thing I know here say Tomo Biti say Albert Amoah. For financial reasons, I mean no any problem. Because no cleaning the clubs ne okruma say no muniska. Cabo.
Yeah.
Yem fancy trimsa or muniska. But the biggest problem I have with decision making when it comes to selling players is the inability of our clubs to factor every single stakeholder that is involved in the decision making. I'm not saying say conform better table mo say omo na interest yenton anase me ento. But me pese me din komo bi say who take such a decision, it needs to be a wide decision, a wide deliberation, understanding the impact on and off the pitch of the decision you are making and the timing of the said decision. It is Obeton player now who consider the timing, who consider the influence of the pitch, because supporters edodo na ebi beba stadium ina na in the whole part also mo mehwe mo games no because let anim no mo de abasisi ane achopa na o mapa no ewom se omo se mo mra stadium mo mehwe o mo games kapo ma bia me free back now these same supporters no ko kwa pai
na mehwe hwan
eso o mehwe hwan supporters no so wogidie bi say omo pra say abet Amoahtransfer Black Stars EBD ka list
of course nso benya bi mawura
obenya bi mawura de to so miensa strike omo gini di ba ko ye kwa mepoku we pra you want to go back to Africa omo wogidie say nka de bia ka first one ka ka me monye dey ye momwi
tesa account Morphine Donzo champion striker yo bebo one top nko
and this be Kwame Pokuba. You see, the succession plan, you see, you can talk about and make an argument to support the management of Kotoko. Ubetimi akonyame ani aba. I support the management of Kotoko about selling Albert Amoah. But the only thing I'm promising you that you can ever use to defend this management in terms of Albert Amoah's sale is the financial package around it. But the implications of the sale, the lack of planning around the sale, because untimi can't tell me say nipa say he top 2 best players or team moi or can what ton no plan as to who becomes the replacement. Because tiesa fudu kunkomo na odi ni nyina na also almost starting komodidie na che ache.
In the crowd.
So me you know, I have no absolutely zero problem with Kotoko when it comes to the financial contribution of Albert Amoah's sale to them. I know football clubs are here mina. It's like young for sentiments and tone chain. Me dealing with Sika. This is pure money. Sika we the balance book. This is pure money. Yeah. They are making to change this kind of money. This is pure money.
Okay.
But baby, I'm say in as much as you want the money, you need to be very careful about the timing of certain decisions you take as a football club. Especially when you know, say, ube here or supporters, ube here your mobile brain. Transparency is very important.
So you already need a timing, no?
What did they mention? And how you've shown sportsmanship towards your supporters. And come on, you didn't know. Couple. I'm sure the supporters no can put Tiase Unu Sese Nebeko or Munim de Wom more planning for a succession player. I don't think the supporters will. Mama Solo so Chairman Solo Juma Edin. Mama Chairman Solo na Juma Edin.
Or Freya Ebedi.
Because club nanka so mo master do mo mehebo. Da no mo yo. Me matena no mabo supporters na ti se munya kasa no ni dede ni bebre na mo ye wo social media na ncheche na mo mla stadium mo games because mo ba players ne betena mo ba na skaba club ni na mo contribute na mo play mo part players ne betena. Now they've elected the new supporters leadership, which to me the approach for the first leg and even the quarter game and a lot of things, you know, you could see say Omo try to mobilize
more free.
Oh, it's as a Chairman Soladi no di kan in ahwetio.
We starting be afufro because supporters need that.
Ahwetio.
Omo na obefre omo ezi o mapa lai.
Ahwete.
Azemo.
Koko na pai. But for Albert Amoah, I can only wish him the best. And I hope he plays well.
Okay. For
longer seasons. Now I'm quite the normal Ghana story after 2 seasons. Yes, Albert Amoah a free agent. Kotoko and I'm for sure raise concern as Canada and Busiani ade. Me Monday I will come here. Now come a couple minimum baby dipani. How we are not patient enough
as a player
and even as a team to build the value of players.
Okay,
because me jitum se ko or nyoma bi won na Kotoko wo yema na Kotoko be hwe the future. Ehunu se no. Me do bo season ni wi abetima ma me 15 goals, 16 goals. Yeah. Scanner omo de basisi ano emu be pija I'm a different club abetia player na so betima tena se aka se de bi me hwe me ho no me performance me yire me ho bo a e bi kwa na me try me ko Black Star ba ko ba bi a ska omo de ma me month no and they imagine 10,000 but me ma me who 6 month e bi a club obeba bia no me sanka 10,000 me nya be 25,000.
Oh, me da se Monday ya babishi Monday na wa.
Well, there are no guarantees. The Akomeah cannot.
Okay.
And I can give you 2 instances. Recently, players of a local league called Blasters non come here consistent kakra in terms of call-outs. Bakokra do nye boy Razak Simpson.
Razak Simpson.
Again, Kamaradin Mamadou. What has happened? So getting the Blasters call-up nowhere near Pewoho. I want us to understand something. The realities of football and what we also think KBTMC. The realities is that you are contending also with player power.
Yeah.
And there's any transfer a club will struggle to keep a player if a player wants to move away. No matter the club ni stature. So we a club kesiya, so we a club ketwa. Ayana keeping players against their will. Ayana a difficult cry. So when Alexander Isak near Liverpool, if players want to move, they find ways to engineer the move. From the clearest indication. Time in Niho. But no clear woman may catch on no. I think aside whatever financial reasons, player power also influenced this deal. It was more about Albert Amoahtransfer Imc as saying Kotoko pese player no motono.
Okay.
So
Albert
Amoahtransfer Imc it reigned supreme over the club's interest in keeping the player or selling the player. 2. Safudu could say the conversation started a long time ago, and that is why I come to the club. If you had any intention of selling Albert Amoahtransfer, you should have drafted in a replacement, true or false, before Sobeko. So one person common sha season year started in 3 months. The league started in September, October. So if Albert Amoahtransfer see a ton and ton home common start na Kotoko ne pese or tona, what do you think would have happened? Exactly.
And then on the far Donzo.
So where that Debbie Donzo was to complement.
Okay.
They lost Samson Eduku.
Okay.
Mintawe. So they lost like 2 strikers. Mintakra the Yehunenim. So bringing in Donzo was not to come and replace Obia or Beko.
Okay.
It was to show up. Exactly. It says one pass a club nipe. Say or ton player na manakwa. We are just on Nimsiko Beje. Kotoko know they are getting like 100,000 or 150,000 for Albert Amoahtransfer. They will draft in a replacement before he leaves.
Okay.
So do you understand where I said player power reigns supreme here? And when a player wants to leave, exactly. And in this instance, and yes, a player ni bonini, and I say oyoboniaye. When we understand the economic conditions as Ghanaians, send a team. I think says a bossy a player $5,000 a month, the player will think twice. So or Tinana or ko. Especially when the Ghanaian club cannot match. If a club comes now, say Albert Amoahtransfer $5,000 as was salary, a honor say tax, winning bonuses near DMB. If the player sits down and calculates, say at the end of every month, or bet me in your bay $7,000. Including bonuses anyway. Na otna when ya 5,000, 7,000 CDs. What do you think will happen? And Albert Amoahtransfer profile no. All back Kotoko no nye star. So the contract he will negotiate any siko benyana embro 4,000 CDs. I am speculating. But sika ye debe to Albert Amoahtransfer at the end of every month to Kotoko embro 4,000. Olympics, no, he had played just 6 months or no more full season even in the Premier League. And when Kotoko were bringing him, he was a prospect, potential, but on your star. And he said, Kwame Poku back Kotoko on the second stinter. Kwame Poku can negotiate a better salary than Albert Amoahtransfer well.
Sure.
So the reality is, Nisika Semo Kotoko no any strosa. So when you are making the comparison. Oh, now better out now. Got a cranky be my $1,000 and Drew.
We have to go and negotiate with him now. When you that standard,
me say it will not match the offer.
Oh, of course.
Se Kotoko so we negotiate salary increment for Abetamo. You find so just 4,000. Omude na kosura no 50%, which will take him to pay 6,000. 6,000 and drew $1,000 in po. To be no catch or say me $5,000 monthly salary. Just consider.
Yeah.
Yet all of us aspire to travel abroad and work there for their better remuneration and then other benefits. Yet Ghana for we are seeking greener pastures abroad. How is it different from a footballer? Yanti reality nasio say o mine yes ye mine ye na ebia and trickle down to your football na na man for kan na mo nye clubs ni ye. Doctors or mutisika kese wa ha. With all the entitlement, they want to travel and work elsewhere.
Yeah.
Other medical way no enya papa. Do you know how much money doctors make benefits near there? But they want to travel elsewhere. I don't do football and inquire na I say ye bubu nuegu yasum ni ye fry ni. Ana monya ni ye entino moko. The reality is the economic situation here. So what they compare, baby, what I say in Nigeria, what I say na obebo brand na kuya, obia pemfaso. It is about the timing of this whole thing. And Abetama was playing this game with his head not at home. It was a crucial game for Kotoko. Not Guinea Nifie or Guinea. Did you see him in this game? He was not ready. He wasn't ready. His head was turned. Oh, you get it? Exactly. So it is not entirely a situation where you blame on clubs. So and a mismanagement man. The reality is, even if clubs in Tanzania come, some at SG League the two best players, Kayeke and then Dauda Yusuf, Baku ko Rwanda, Baku ko Tanzania, Baku Penomia transfer free mo. Why did you think they would leave? O say Samata say a company team. Company omuntu mean TSKB players in the pen farm. But you see, there was certain corporate structure and practice that you can't skip it.
Yeah.
Set company yashishe wum. Oh, capo, yeah, salary cap, yeah, bear 10,000 cedis. Yent mean tra. Oh, ana company biaba, ana club biaba. Mema o play and mema $5,000 monthly salary. O converted the bas cedis saying. A bro 50,000 Ghana cedis. Can you break your wage structure and all of a sudden decide to pay 60,000 cedis the ama player or Premier League? You know, that doesn't really make business sense. Enti yantenyo maybe I say me I insist ye football no the biggest problem ye sika. Sabi abrofo no Morocco for North Africa for no. Omo wa adri omo dey football. But there is no better way to plan the future than with the resources.
Yeah.
Utiwe unya lawyer obey.
Sure pa.
Unya huskani hu akade a utimi ye.
Of course.
Dreams and aspirations will be by the resources fame kono. Nti enye sesebe kwahwe abafo bi na ye football ne wa ha ana omunni momo left from momo right. No, it is not like that.
Sikasem ni na akobe pie sikasem.
Sikani ye kope sponsor na eba. When you submit a proposal to a prospective sponsor, me per se who best sponsor me. Ni ebisa questions ni we ya. Oh, for attendance, Fabra and give us, and then the entron group people. So you give pictorial or video evidence to back it. If you are come more by a presentation, na presentation testing. What the omre na son? Mama menje Dr. Amuzu time. Na Dr. Amuzu so Ghana for here